you ever gone on a late night walk and then all of a sudden you slip on some ice you couldn't even see and fall right off a bridge and then teleport to the Shadow Realm? Well, you're not the only one. I'm fed up of this happening to me over and over again. So I thought, why don't I engineer a solution? And that's exactly what I did. Meet the Semico's 20,000 lumen Ultrabright flashlight, or for short, the SMZ-L20K. This flashlight is powered by two 217000 batteries in parallel. There are 5 XHP 3V LEDs, a really big heatsink to absorb the heat and a fan to cool down the heatsink, along with 2 switches that allow you to go on low power mode, which only uses 2 LEDs, and you also have the option for high power mode, which uses all 5 LEDs. It has 20-minute battery life on 50% power and around 8 minutes on full power. And you can fully charge it through USB-C in under 2 hours. Here's how the design works. You have a large metal heatsink that provides cooling for the LEDs. Then these reflective cones get glued onto the LEDs to provide a narrow beam of light. You've got some air ducts on the side in case the front gets covered, the hot air can still exit off the sides. You've also got some air ducts on the side of the fan where it can pull in fresh air. And then everything is powered through these 21700 batteries that are in parallel. You've got a USB-C charging chip, 2 switches so that you can go in low power and high power mode, another small 12mm switch that is used for the battery indicator, which goes in this hole. That way you can tell exactly how much longer you can use the flashlight for. Then finally everything is bolted into place with 8 M3 screws. Then finally, with my newfound confidence, I went to my nearby forest to test out the flashlight. It worked pretty awesome. The battery lasted the entire time and there were no issues at all whatsoever. It was also raining and the water did not damage the flashlight at all, which means I probably did a good job waterproofing it, or at least making it water resistant. If you've got any comments or suggestions, feel free to let me know. And if you'd like to make this flashlight for yourself, I'll list all the files on my Makerworld profile for free. It's also on my GitHub. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.